What if I told you that the egg sitting in your fridge right now went through a 26-hour biological marathon just to exist, and that the chicken who laid it has reproductive powers that would genuinely surprise most scientists? Stick around, because by fact number 7, you're going to see something that no one expects. A biological trick so clever it sounds made up. Let's start with fact number 1. Hens don't need a rooster to lay eggs. This is probably the most widespread myth in backyard farming, and it's completely wrong. Hens lay eggs on a natural hormonal cycle. No rooster required. The rooster only becomes relevant when you want fertilized eggs, eggs that can actually develop into chicks. Without him, the eggs are real, edible, and completely unfertilized. Commercial egg farms almost never keep roosters. The hens handle everything on their own, every single day like clockwork. Fact number 2, and this one changes the whole dynamic. Roosters are relentless, but hens have the final say. Roosters spend a significant part of their day performing an elaborate courtship ritual. A specific wing drop, a circling dance, a particular clucking pattern. And they don't give up easily. But here's the part that surprises people. Hens have an internal biological mechanism that allows them to reject sperm after mating. If a hen doesn't assess a rooster as a strong, healthy mate, her body can physically expel his sperm before fertilization occurs. The rooster thinks he's running the show. The hen is quietly making the real decisions. In chicken reproduction, biological power sits with the female. Moving on to fact number 3. And this is where things get genuinely fascinating. Hens can store sperm for up to 2 weeks. Most animals don't have this capability, but hens do. Inside a hen's reproductive tract, specialized glands can hold a rooster's sperm for 10 to 14 days, releasing it gradually to fertilize multiple eggs from a single mating event. A hen who mated with a rooster last week could still be laying fertilized eggs today. This also explains something practical. If you introduce a new rooster to your flock, it takes nearly 2 weeks before his genetics start appearing in the chicks, because the hen's body is still using stored sperm from the previous rooster. Fact number 4 is something people argue about online all the time. Egg color is entirely genetic, not nutritional. Brown eggs, white eggs, blue eggs, green eggs. You've seen them all. And you've probably heard someone claim that brown eggs are healthier or more natural. They're not. Egg color is 100% determined by the breed of the hen. White leghorns lay white eggs. Rhode Island Reds lay brown. Araucana chickens lay blue and green. The color is deposited on the shell during formation. It has zero impact on what's inside. What does affect nutrition is the hen's diet and environment. The shell color is purely cosmetic, purely genetic. So far, we've dismantled the myths. No rooster needed, hens control fertilization, sperm storage that lasts 2 weeks, and egg color that has nothing to do with health. Now we go deeper, because what happens inside a hen's body when she builds an egg is a level of biological engineering most people never think about. And this is where it gets genuinely impressive. Fact number 5. And this one genuinely surprised me the first time I heard it. A single egg takes 20 to 26 hours to form. Most people imagine egg laying as something fast. The hen visits the nest box, a few minutes pass, done. But the visible moment is just the final step of a full-day biological process. It starts with the yolk forming in the ovary. From there, it moves through the oviduct, a long, complex tube, where layers of egg white are added, then 2 protective membranes, and finally the hard calcium shell. The shell alone takes roughly 20 hours to deposit, and almost immediately after laying, her body starts the entire process over again. High-producing hens are running this marathon every single day. The nutritional and physical demand on their bodies is significant, and it explains why calcium is so critical in a laying hen's diet. Fact number 6, eggshells are mostly calcium carbonate, and they actually breathe. That shell isn't just packaging. It's a functional biological structure made up of approximately 95% calcium carbonate, and it contains thousands of microscopic pores across its entire surface. Those pores are intentional. They allow oxygen in and carbon dioxide out, letting a developing embryo breathe through the shell wall continuously. This is part of why fertile eggs can sit in an incubator and hatch. Gas exchange is happening the entire time, invisibly through the shell. The shell also has a natural protective coating called the bloom, which seals the pores and keeps bacteria out. This is why you should never wash farm-fresh eggs until right before use. Washing removes that protective layer. Now, fact number 7. This is the exact moment I promised you at the beginning. The egg exits through the same opening as waste, and it stays perfectly clean. Chickens have a single external opening called the cloaca. It handles both eggs and digestive waste. When people first hear this, the obvious question is, how does the egg come out clean? Here's the answer, and it's genuinely clever. Right before laying, the hen temporarily inverts her cloaca. She turns it partially inside out, so that the egg travels through a clean, mucus-lined passage and exits without ever making contact with the waste tract. It's a biological workaround that sounds almost impossibly well designed. The body solves a serious contamination problem with a structural inversion that takes seconds. No engineer would have thought of it, but evolution landed on it anyway. That's the moment that makes you rethink what a chicken actually is. Fact number 8 is something you need to watch out for. Hens can become egg-bound, and it's a genuine medical emergency. Occasionally, a hen is physically unable to pass an egg. It gets stuck inside her reproductive tract. Because of its size, a calcium deficiency, illness, or sometimes age-related muscle weakness. This is called being egg-bound, and it's dangerous. A hen in this condition will appear lethargic, puffed up, and may strain visibly without producing anything. If the egg isn't passed within 24 to 48 hours, the pressure on her internal organs becomes life-threatening. Treatment involves warm baths to relax the muscles, calcium supplementation, and in serious cases, a vet. It's a reminder that what looks effortless from the outside is a complex physical process, and sometimes it goes wrong. Fact number 9 completely shifts how you manage your flock in winter. Hens lay more in spring and summer because of light, not temperature. If you keep backyard chickens, you've seen this. Winter arrives and egg production drops dramatically. Most people assume it's the cold. It's not. It's the light. A hen's brain contains a gland that directly responds to daylight hours. Long days trigger a hormonal cascade that ramps up egg production. Short days slow it down or stop it entirely. Temperature barely factors in. This is why commercial farms use artificial lighting year-round. They're keeping the hen's brain in a permanent state of long summer day. For backyard keepers, a simple timer light in the coop during winter can significantly extend laying season, though many choose to let hens rest naturally. And the final fact, number 10, this one changes how you think about your flock. A hen's body can expel an unfinished egg under extreme stress. When a hen faces serious stress, illness, a predator attack, severe nutritional deficiency, her body can abort the egg formation process before the shell fully develops. What comes out isn't a normal egg. It might have no shell at all, just a thin, rubbery membrane holding the contents together. These are called rubber eggs or shellless eggs, and while occasional production glitches can cause one, a pattern of them signals that something is genuinely wrong: a calcium deficiency, a health issue, or chronic stress in the flock. It's not the body being dramatic, it's the body making a calculated trade. Redirect resources away from reproduction and toward survival. When a hen system detects it cannot complete the process properly, it cuts its losses. A sophisticated response from an animal most people don't think twice about. From eggs that form without roosters to sperm stored for 2 weeks, to a shell that lets embryos breathe, to a body that physically inverts itself so an egg exits clean. Chicken reproduction is operating at a level of biological complexity that most people never stop to consider. If any of these facts genuinely surprised you, share this with someone who thinks they already know everything about chickens. And if you keep backyard hens, or you're thinking about starting, drop your biggest question in the comments. I read everyone. Which of these surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. I read everyone. And subscribe if you want more videos like this.